Where were you on the night of November 16th?
Terry! Why? Stop interrogating yourself. Hey, don't touch me. You can't use my fur for your bow. Ooh, yellow cedar, a symphony staple. Hey, don't touch me. And why are you violinists so antsy? I appreciate the pets, but I'm still gonna shed all over your black dress.
How has this cat offended you?
He won't leave my sister Luna alone, she?
You know, someday, I may ask you for a favor.
Meh, I understand, Podfather.
Don't worry. I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
Oh, what? It's happening! Feline evolution! I'm walking upright! I'm getting taller! I'm standing on the fluffing table! Frank is an incredible actor. Hey, Frank, give us an aggressive lick. Those are all Becky's? Yeah, look at the tails. Kendall, this is the last straw. Now give me my Meowhito. Mom, you're back home early. This catnip is freaking me out, man. Did you hear that? In the world? No. What did you do? I'd like to speak to Mike Attorney. Frank is a master of Taekwondo. Is he? We'll see how funny it is when I turn this thing into a megaphone at 3 a.m. Well, we'll see how smart you are when the canines come. I got 99 props, but a stitch ain't one.
Now it's just like toothpaste, you just gotta squeeze the bottom.
Thanks, Dave. Oh, you're a German Shepherd, are you? Say hello to the Allied forces! Wait, I'm the last samurai? So why'd you go from boxing to massage therapy? Petflix took down Aristocats before I could finish it.
Oh, come here, baby.
Special delivery, Dante. Oh! My father was a meerkat?
I know you're looking down on me, Whiskers.
What is Sammy doing out there?
Kittles will pay for what he did. What's the matter? Cat got your tongue?
It's okay, Kathy. You just drank too much. Here, I'll hold your tail back. Oh, I'm out. Hey, Patrick, look, I'm SpongeBob SquareCat. Okay, nephew. Now you try. Meh. Not bad. Meh. Now enunciate more. And who do we have here?
Don't touch me.
Oh, is the little bitty bug gonna do something?
I said,
Don't touch me!
Okay, yeah, let me just scooch by you. Oh, shit. Yeah, let me just kind of tap that there and resolve it. I won't crack the screen on this one. I've matured, and I'm not clumsy anymore. Oh, never mind.
A mamãe tá fazendo brincadeirinha? Cadê o neném?